Hello, Songbird. Today I am giving you my best breathing tips so that you can sing with more power, with more freedom, and with loads more confidence. Enjoy. All right, so let's get into some do nots. What are some things that we should not do when we are trying to learn how to breathe to really optimize our breath management for singing? Number one is we don't want to do a noisy, loud inhale. So, right, you hear this all the time in lots of recordings when you listen to your favorite singers, especially pop singers. We get this, right? Now, here's what's happening when you go like that, right? Everybody just do that for me and tell me, what do you actually feel happen in your throat? So try it again. All right, you should feel that there's a sense of tightening, right? And there's also you're basically blowing whoosh, all this air through your vocal folds and you're making them dry, okay? So it's like running a huge tornado through your vocal folds, right? That's an exaggerated picture, but that's just what popped into my head. So basically when you go like that, you cause a lot of tension in your throat and you also dry out your vocal folds, okay? So that's one thing we do not want to do, is to have a noisy, loud inhale. What we want instead is a silent inhale, where you just very naturally open up your mouth and let the air come in. All right. I'm going to give you some more tips on exactly how to do that in a second, but that's the first do not when it comes to good breath management for singing. Number two, do not overly activate your chest and shoulders. So we don't want to, a lot of the times as we take a really labored breath in, it tends to come with a rise in the chest and the shoulders, right? Which doesn't help us. Again, it just causes more tension, all right? And it ends up being a really shallow breath that does not activate the bigger muscles in your rib cage, in your transverse abdominis and your lower back, which then makes you recruit these little muscles in the throat again, and then you get a strain, painful, not efficient way of singing, okay? So when we're actually breathing, we want to be as grounded as possible. Like when you and I are just going about life and we're just breathing, we're not going, are we? No, because there's no need to, right? There's absolutely no need to. Your body knows how to breathe. It takes in what it needs, yeah? So it's really important to just relax into it and to stay grounded. With your hands on your rib cage, take a breath in, expanding the ribs out towards your hand. And now let the breath out. One more time, stretching out sideways, and then let it out. This time, stretch out your ribs and hiss the breath out on an S, like this. Okay, make sure the hiss is even and we'll do it for 10 counts. Let's give this a go. So stretching out and then hissing out for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Practice this every day to develop freedom in your breathing technique. Songbird, if you're liking this video, please do give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and then you'll never miss out on any of my singing videos that I drop, and also you'll help other singers find the channel and learn how to sing as well. Now, if you really want to build a voice that you are going to feel so confident with and you're going to absolutely love the sound of, I would love to invite you to check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Songbird, if you want more than just bite-sized lessons on random singing topics and you truly would like to have a step-by-step process to follow that would help you master your voice in the most quickest way possible, if you would like to learn not just what exercises to practice, but in what order, in which exact range, and the best way to progress them each day, each week, each month, each year, and beyond. If you would like to be given specific daily workouts that you could work on every single day, being guided as to how long you should practice each day, and when it's time to actually move on to more difficult workouts, if you want to progress from where you are as a singer now to becoming the singer that you've always dreamed of, then I invite you, Songbird, go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy, where you can get access to all of my vocal training programs. Plus, I add new content every single month. And guess what? I'm going to let you check all that out for free for the next 7 days. I've made this the most affordable and, dare I say, comprehensive and best library of vocal training ever. There's my foundational course, The Vocal Revolution, which teaches you everything you need to know about vocal technique and takes you from beginner to advanced. There's also my incredible supplementary courses, for example, my How to Sing in Mixed Voice programs, where you can zero in on a particular topic or a particular part of your voice. There's the webinars and masterclasses where you get an intensive 30-minute to 90-minute booster on a particular focused subject. There's also the guided exercises and extras, where I give you intensive boosters, but in 5 to 15 minutes, also on a specific topic. And there is so much more. All of this to help you get grounded, take flight, and sing. Songbird, I'm always believing in you, and I just can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Click on the link to start your 7-day free trial now. So here's how you do it, okay? You're going to put your hands on your rib cage, and when you're taking your breath in, the inhale, right, it is all about expansion in the rib cage. And so what we're going to do is we're going to expand the ribs for 4 counts. So we're going to go in, 2, 3, 4. And as you do that, your rib cage is literally expanding slowly for 4 counts, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to stay open there. So we're not going to, after we've taken such a luscious breath in, to then just go whoosh and let it all come out all at once, right? We're actually going to try and stay open. We're going to stay open and buoyant for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to sing a note on 8 counts. And when you're singing those notes for 8 counts, you're really trying to let the breath just slowly, in 8 counts, be released evenly. Okay? All right, so it's in for 4, stay open for 4, and then sing for 8. The note that we're going to sing is just a very comfortable note, just here on an ooh, ooh. All right, let's do it together. I will count you in. Okay, here we go. And we're going to breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay open. 2, 3, 4. Now sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Fantastic. Now we're going to do in for 5 and then out for 10. Okay, here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay open. 2, 3, 4, 5. And sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing. Let's do 6 and 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic. Hey, you want to learn more about breathing? Go and check out this video here. You know that I am always believing in you, Songbird. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.